Speaking of order now, please drink in the cuteness that is this drink dispenser with the ceramic lid. The lid, stoneware. The body of it, beautiful glass. Then we have the stoneware at the bottom. It's 1 gallon. And it's a beautiful drink dispenser for the spring, summer, fall, quite frankly, party time year round. Now, the tumblers we had earlier in the show, those are an extra purchase, but they're less than $14. I mean, slammin' deal. Information's on your screen right here. They are also on free shipping because it's free shipping day. This color choice in the drink dispenser with me on set, this is your patriotic. We have 300 remaining in the patriotic. We also have it available in the confetti, 200 left. And then we also have the gray. Is the yellow sold out? Oh, the yellow's gone. Hey, $29.16. It's a head scratcher because this was a QVC price of $60. It's now $29.16 on free shipping, and it's on 3 easy payments of $9.72. Lisa Lasort is jumping in to tell us all about this one. Lisa, I feel like we just keep getting better in this show. $29 and change? How did that happen?
It's a head scratcher. Yeah. I agree with you. But oh my gosh, this is so great. We don't have anything else like it in our line as so many of our items today. So it's a 3-part system, okay? You're going to get that stoneware lid right there. Beautiful hand painted, just like you know and love from all of our Temp-tations. Here is the confetti. So look how pretty this is with the beautiful nod to old world and floral lace. I'm going to flip it so you can see. A silicone gasket. That's what's going to keep your drinks nice and uber fresh, because when I place it on the top right here, look how you can hear it seal in all the freshness. Glass, just like you talked about, with the beautiful old world and floral lace right there. That kind of dances all the way around. What we call our perfect pour spout. I'm going to show that to you shortly, but this is a no drip spout. Here's the coolest part. This comes off. So if I just want to put this part in my refrigerator and keep cold water in there all day long, perfect. But look what else. Now you can have this beautiful pedestal base, and you can put things on top of it if you want, Mary. Like you can put food on top of there. You can put flameless candles on top of there. Here's my favorite part. This is why we look so fancy over at the Lasorts, okay? Because we take our gallon jug right there that we picked up at the gas station.
Love y'all.
Okay?
Love y'all.
And here's all I'm going to do. This is how easy it is. You just pour in a gallon, and instead of putting this plastic gallon out on your table, which, you know, we can do better than that. And sometimes that's totally fine too. But look at this. All of a sudden, I look like I'm the cover of a magazine in about 3 seconds. And look, the whole gallon. Look at that. It's empty. And it's right in there.
If you pour it or lift it from one vessel to another, that's homemade. Okay, that absolutely
100%
works. Here's the deal. Yes. This patriotic on the set with me, the red, white, and blue, where you get the fireworks and the floral lace. Don't wait on any of them, but don't wait on that patriotic. Yeah.
Oh, so pretty.
250 remain in the patriotic. Here's your gray. We have 7 dozen in the gray. And in the confetti, we only have 150. Spring beverages never looked better, and it's half off. It was $60. It's now $29.16. It's a clearance price, which means there's no reorder on this item number. However, free shipping. The free shipping is gone at the end of the day. These are the 3 pieces you're getting. You're getting the base, which is stoneware. You're getting the lid, which is stoneware. You're getting the glass 1-gallon pitcher with the dispenser on the front that Lisa's going to show us next. You get all 3 for that free shipping and that clearance price. I mean, Lisa, again, I don't know how this one got by us, but we'll take it because look how gorgeous it is all year long. And it dispenses beautifully.
Look at this. This is what we call our perfect pour right there. So you can see, I can control how fast or how slow it comes out. So there's nice and slow. Here's a little bit faster, full tilt right there. But I want to show you something. When I stop, it stops. By the way, coordinating tumblers that we showed earlier in the show. So if you love the confetti, you can now pick up maybe 2 sets of tumblers and you have a complete outdoor set. But it's not just for iced tea, right? I love having this for things like, I mean, Mayor, when you come over, we need to have our cocktails.
Yes.
So, yeah, so fill it with, I have a white sangria in here. So I did my white wine, I did a little prosecco and some fresh fruit. I put this outdoors. I set it, forget it. I don't have to serve everybody their drinks because you get to serve yourself at my house. Love, love, love that.
As it should be. And you know, I like that
As it should be.
the opening is wide open. So if you do want to drop those big slices of orange, those big
Yes.
slices of lemon, you don't have to fold anything and jam it in there. Look how wide and open that is. So you can really make a fun cocktail in here and not have to, you know, slice everything up all day.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And you can put anything in here from water to lemonade to milk. It doesn't, like, seriously, whatever you want to put in here, you can put in here. It's a beverage dispenser. I want to show you this right here. So do you see how it's not coming out as fast? See that right there?
Yeah.
I want to show you what you do. It's because of the silicone seal. So all you're going to do is give it a little burp and also make sure that there's no fruit
Oh.
that's happening at the bottom. But by the way, notice how this black mug right here matches perfectly back to the gray. So you can pick up some great coordinating sets here. And you can also get, what I love about it is you can also get the runners that match. Like, this is how you create an oasis outdoor, with these key pieces that you use indoor, that you use outdoor, that makes sense. Oh, and by the way, this lifts off. So if I need to refill it, or if I just want to place this on the top rack of my refrigerator and have cold whatever all day long, this is how you do it. It's such a great piece.
Let me tell you too, those candles that have the wide base. So let me explain. I want to pick up more than one of these because I like having two different beverages out for get-togethers. But this base, I would actually use to put maybe my Luminara candle at the top or my Homeworks candle at the top, and you could use them on your dining room table. If you had two, you could kind of flank your dining room table and put your candle on the top. It'd be really pretty. Okay, we have updates. So Mary, tell your candle stories later. We started our show with about 700 of these. We now have fewer than 300 remaining. In the Patriotic, I have about 150 remaining. In the Confetti, I have about 6 dozen remaining. And then the gray is now officially last call. There's about a dozen remaining. The free shipping is gone at the end of the day. The fact that it's half off was reason enough to drag the needle across the record, right? Just, what?
Yes.
Head scratcher. And $29.16. In total, you have the option of 3 easy payments of $9.72. But, you know, my poll question today, Lisa, was what are you all looking forward to most about spring? So many people said sunshine. And I think,
Yes.
too, when it comes to being able to get out on the deck, get a little time outside, this makes it
yeah.
easy to refresh your beverage, entertain, just make good vibes.
Good vibes. And Mary, I have to tell you something. Even in the winter, like at Thanksgiving, I had everybody here for Thanksgiving.
Oh.
I filled this with water. I put it over on the side of my counter. I put all my glasses around it. Everybody gets their water for dinner so that I'm not putting like 9 water glasses around the table. It just makes it so easy, so effortless. But look how pretty at the same time.
It's absolutely beautiful and popular in the show. Woo! I would break out into that song, but we didn't pay for it, so I can't. This is 1 gallon. It's a song called Popular from a popular Broadway show. Joe knows it. He's singing it. No, he's not. He knows it, but he's not singing it. This is the Patriotic here. We have about 100 remaining in the Patriotic. Here's the gray. Gray has sold out.
Oh,
And then
wow.
we have the confetti. There's about 2 dozen remaining. And it's free shipping. Did I mention half off? Yeah, Lisa, this is flying out the door. My friend, thank you for bringing it to the show. And I have a feeling we might see you a little later.
I'm going to see you again soon. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers to you. Oh, I love that tea. I know that gas station tea she's talking about. It's so good.
The best.